after so long.
Hello ma'am, welcome to CNC 24 and I would like to ask you that how are you associated with Nimbus Group and how is your experience here? How are you celebrating Women's Day today?
Well, obviously today is a special day for all the women, including me as well. So it's a good experience, and I have seen all the women are very pretty. Obviously, I am so proud to be part of the Nimbus Group Women celebration. So I feel so amazing. Yeah.
Right. Do you have any message for the women in today's world?
I just want to say all the women, we are strong enough, and obviously whatever you have done in your life in every field, to be strong enough, and be happy. And obviously my best wishes is always with all the women's empowered.
Thank you ma'am. Hello and welcome to CNC 24. We would like to ask you that what inspired Nimbus to organize such event?
Well, like I'm leading the marketing communication for the Nimbus Group, and being a part of the family as well, as like we need to do something. Again, as I mentioned previously, like Women's Day is not limited to just to one day. It's just a reminder that we are here also. I mean, like for us, we do it every single day. So it's like, okay, why not to just keep any other day like around the Women's Day? Why not? So yeah, it's just a very small initiative. We're like, okay, we need to do something to celebrate everyone. Yeah.
Okay, and what is the message behind this?
Like I mentioned in my speech as well, like I feel like I'm the youngest in this room, and for me, I wanted to like get inspired, as I like mentioned previously, that all the women have already achieved wherever they are. Like for example, Mary Kom and all the visionary women who are already here, they have achieved. But what about the next generation, which is me? We need something to look up to. So next generation also needs some inspiration. So my message was to my fellow women that we have to look up there, and we have to also make sure that we follow their footsteps. Yeah.
Right, wonderful. And why was the Mary Kom was chosen for this particular event?
Well, she's also our brand ambassador, so why not? I mean, she's the best woman who represents India. When it comes to leadership, she's the only until yet. There's no one after her being the most powerful woman, so why not? And she has to be a part of it, definitely, yeah.
And how important are these platforms to empower such women who are not, who are just sitting at home and they are taking care of their family and husbands? Just elaborate that, please.
So for me, again, every woman is playing a role, like a very important role in their life. It's just like it's not recognizable. It's not, people can't see it out there. So we just wanted to bring all the women under one roof, that who are like Buddhism out there, so whosoever are not able to, they will get influenced, that they're like, I need to step up, or I need to be proud of myself. Yeah.
Okay. And what is the message from the Nimbus, not just to the women, to the entire world?
To the entire world,
Yeah.
I would say, like I said, I'm maybe one of the women leader for the Nimbus Group. So I will just like, we have to keep getting inspired, and we don't have to stop. As Mary Kom says, that it's very easy to achieve the success, but it's very difficult to maintain it. So, and especially being a woman, it is difficult because we have different phases. We have to adjust according to the phases of life. So yeah, you can't just stop like giving up. Yeah.
Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much.
wonderful.
Thank
Yes.
you.